Hello everyone, this is Deepak, Faculty for Ethics at Officers IAS Academy, and with us is Madan, All India rank 195 first attempt, Chatriya Kavan, All India rank 244 first attempt, and we have Sivanandam, All India rank 87 first attempt. So we together are presenting a program for the ethics paper for those who are appearing for Mains 2022. So the focus will be on value enrichment. So what are we going to do? First of all, the strategy. What should be the strategy? So these people are fresh out of the hot pot. They really know what is working, what is not working in the present trend in the ethics paper. And they all have phenomenal scores in the ethics paper. First, strategy. Second, we'll be looking at every single topic listed in the ethics syllabus. We will present the essence of each of these topics and directly go to the value addition part. What examples to use? What illustrations to use, what quotations to use, how would you introduce, how would you conclude. In addition to that, we will also be exclusively looking at the case studies. We will be discussing at least 30 case studies threadbare, going into how do you introduce a case study, how do you evaluate the different options that are available in the question, how would you justify your decision, how would you conclude, whether you should be using data points or not. So this is what we would be doing. Additionally to this program will also be few mentoring sessions where we would align you to the present exam requirement. Additionally, there will also be 2 tests for which very detailed feedback will be given. So once the program is over, you will need to take 2 tests so that we understand how you have been able to utilize this program, whether you have been able to implement it in your answers, and accordingly detailed feedback on a candidate by candidate basis will be provided to you. So more details about the program can be found in the description below. There is a brochure document which you can download. Thank you very much from all the 4 of us.